Welcome to Way to Commerce. Subscribe to Way to Commerce. Today our concept is objects of cost accounting. What are the objects of cost accounting? To arrive the cost of production, determining selling price of products, to indicate management any inefficiencies, cost for comparison, present comparative cost data, to ascertain profitability, to guide management in the formulation and implementation of incentive bonus plans, implementation of budgetary control, to organize cost reduction programs. So these are the objectives of cost accounting. So we discuss detail. First one, to arrive at the cost of production, to arrive at the cost of production of every unit, every job, operations, process, department or service, and to develop cost standard. So this is one of the objective. Cost of production of every unit or job, operations or every process or every department or service, and to develop cost standard. So it's a one objective, cost of production. Next, second objective is cost accounting has vital importance in determining selling price of products. Yes, cost accounting has vital importance in determining selling price of the products, because it accounts for material costing, labor costing, overheads costing. So that's why we have to find out selling price depending on the cost. So determining selling price of products, as a selling price is influenced by cost. Okay, next, third objective, to indicate management any inefficiencies and the extent of various forms of waste. We have to find out how much waste, whether of materials, wastage of time, expenses, or in the use of machinery or equipment. We can find out any inefficiency. It helps to management for taking better decisions. Okay, next, fourth objective is to provide actual figures of cost for comparison. Actual figures of cost for comparison with estimates. In cost accounting, first of all, we have to estimate the cost and profits, etc. After doing cost accounting, we have to compare. In budgetary control also we have to discuss, okay, with estimates, and to serve a guide for future estimates or quotations, and to assist the management in their price fixing policy. So price fixing policy, assist the management. Okay, next, fifth objective, to present comparative cost data for different periods, various volumes of output, and to provide guidance in the development of business. So budgetary control, we have to discuss comparative statements. Previous year how much cost incurred, before that year how much cost incurred. So it present comparative cost data. Next, sixth one, to ascertain profitability of each of the products and advise management as how these profits can be maximized. It also estimated. Next, seventh objective, to help in the preparation of budgets and implementation of budgetary control system. So it helps in preparation of budgets and implementation of budgetary control system also. Next, to organize cost reduction program. It also organize cost reduction program. This is the objectives of cost accounting.